Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical car polisher, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Car Polisher, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car polisher from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 12 AIM Buffer Variable Speed Buffer Polisher. The DeWalt 12-amp Variable Speed Buffer Polisher is a powerful and durable tool designed for professional-grade results. Featuring a robust 12-amp motor, this polisher is engineered with ball-bearing construction for longevity and smooth operation. Its variable speed trigger and large speed dial 0 to 3500 RPM offer full control over the polishing process, allowing you to adjust speed for different materials and applications. The rubber overmolded gear case and handle provide added comfort during extended use, while the no-volt release switch ensures safety by preventing accidental starts. Additionally, the polisher comes with replaceable wool ingestion shields to protect the motor and extend the tool's life. Its precision-cut steel gears and external brush caps make servicing easy, and the large spindle lock button allows for quick backing pad changes. Ideal for both beginners and professionals, the DeWalt DWP-849X is designed to deliver outstanding results and long-lasting performance. Number 2. Porter-Cable Car Polisher and Buffer 6-inch Orbital Variable Speed. The Porter-Cable 6-inch Orbital Variable Speed Car Polisher and Buffer is the perfect tool for automotive and marine sanding and polishing projects. With a powerful 4.5 AUMP motor, it provides high overload protection and a random orbit for smooth, swirl-free results. The electronic variable speed dial allows you to adjust the speed from 2500 to 6800 orbits per minute, OP, for versatile control across different tasks. Weighing just 5.5 polish tools, this compact polisher is easy to handle and maneuver, while the included 6-inch polishing pad and proprietary counterbalance ensure consistent, professional-grade results. The tool features full ball and roller bearing construction for added durability and comes with a removable 2-position side handle for greater comfort and control. Whether you're tackling car detailing or marine projects, this polisher is a reliable, user-friendly solution. Plus, it's backed by a 3-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Number 3. Chemical Guys Random Orbital Pads Polisher with Compounds Kit. The Chemical Guys Random Orbital Pads Polisher with Compounds Kit is the ultimate all-in-one detailing solution for professionals and car enthusiasts alike. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to restore your vehicle's paint, remove swirls, scratches, oxidation, and imperfections, and even clean headlights and glass surfaces. The TorqueX dual-action polisher features a powerful 700-watt motor and an 8mm orbital throw, ensuring efficient performance with minimal user fatigue. Its ergonomic grip and compact design make it easy to use for extended periods, while the versatile tool works on single-stage paint, clear coats, metals, glass, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the TorqueX is designed for precision and reliability. This kit makes the perfect gift for any car lover, offering professional-grade results to maintain a flawless finish on cars, trucks, SUVs, and more. Stay ahead with the best in-vehicle detailing. Number 4. LDHTHOPI 7 Variable Speed Detachable Handle for Car Polishing. The LDHTHOPI 7 Variable Speed Detachable Handle Car Polisher is a powerful and versatile tool designed to give your vehicle a flawless finish. With a 110-volt 1,600-watt motor, it offers high efficiency and durability for professional-grade polishing and surface restoration. The polisher features 7 variable speeds, 1,000 to 3,500 RPM, allowing you to adjust the speed for different materials and applications, whether you're polishing, grinding, or restoring surfaces. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, and the detachable side handle gives you the flexibility to work with either a direct grip or side handles for added control. Weighing just 4.57 canvas semi-compact, 15.7 into 3.5 into 3.1 inches, it's easy to maneuver for extended detailing sessions. Plus, the kit includes 7 types of pads: wool, orange, black, yellow, red, green, and blue. ensuring you have the right tool for any polishing or restoration task. Number 5. Saker Cordless Car Buffer Polisher 6-inch Portable Polishing Waxer Machine. The Saker Cordless Car Buffer Polisher is the perfect portable solution for all your automotive detailing needs. Weighing just 2.3 ounces including the battery, this lightweight polisher features a cordless design that allows you to polish without the hassle of tangled wires or safety concerns. Powered by a rechargeable 12-volt 2000 mAh lithium battery, it offers powerful performance with its pure copper 4-pole motor, delivering dual-action random orbital motion with minimal noise. With 6 adjustable speeds, you can easily customize the power to suit different tasks, reaching an idle speed of up to 5,000 RPM. The 6-inch support plate ensures an optimal working area for efficient results, and the hook and loop surface makes pad changes quick and easy. This kit includes 10 versatile attachments, including pads, bonnets, and a waterproof apron, making it ideal for polishing, sanding, and waxing. Perfect for anyone looking to achieve a professional finish with ease. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.